I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey y'all, it's your girl Dizastrousbeauty and I'm coming back with another video. Okay, don't judge my attire, okay? Today's video is gonna be a video about me bleaching my eyebrows. Actually, I just thought about doing this because I was just about to bleach them. I tend to bleach my eyebrows because as you guys can see, I have blonde hair today. I wear different colors of hair and it's easier if my eyebrows are lighter versus being dark to change my eyebrows to kind of match my hair. I personally don't like super dark eyebrows when I'm wearing blonde hair or red hair or green hair or blue hair or whatever color, and it's just easier to just bleach them and draw them in. And if I need them dark, I can just use a darker brown. I usually use like a espresso. I never wear black. I never do black in my brows, but I will do a dark brown if I am wearing like a natural color hair or even black hair. So anyways, I first started bleaching my eyebrows about a year ago, and I looked up online like what you can use to bleach your eyebrows, and they had on there the Sally Hansen bleach cream for face and body. So this is what it looks like. I get mine from Walmart, but I'm pretty sure you can get it from anywhere, and it comes with exclusive pre-conditioner, helps prep and condition skin, sweet almond scent, great for face and arms. It comes with bleach cream, activator powder, pre-conditioner, mixing cup, applicator, and instructions. So when you open it up, this is our already used one. I had this for a while, but when you open it up, you obviously have your instructions. I was going to say construction. That's what Juicy used to say when he was a baby. This right here is the bleach cream. My camera's shaking. And this is the pre-conditioner. And you put this on before you do anything. And this is the activator. And this is the applicator. I don't even think I used this last time. I wonder what I used. And this is the little mixing, child. This is the little mixing cup. And as I stated, this is all the stuff, it comes in this kit right here. So first you're gonna, your instructions are going to say, and they do say test a different part of your body just to kind of see if you like allergic to it, you know, kind of like what they used to have on the back of everything. But anyways, they have quick and easy directions. Mix activator and bleach cream in the mixing cup using the applicator. Refer to the instruction sheet for the exact amount. So the instruction sheet tells you to put the powder up to the 5 milliliter line, and what is this called? Squeeze in the bleach into the cup, filling up to the 15 milliliter. So by the time you're finished, you're gonna only go up to the 15 milliliter line. And then you're gonna mix that up. You're gonna use this little spatula, and then you're gonna go ahead and apply it, covering your eyebrows, and wait for 8 minutes. It says use spatula to remove mixture from a small area, just to kind of see if it's as light as you want to. The longer you leave it on, the lighter your eyebrows are gonna get. So keep that in mind. You may wanna check before 8 minutes. Mine always burns, and I think it burns because I do arch my own eyebrows. Like I do use one of those little things that you get from the beauty supply store, and I think that's why mine's burn, and I'm kind of used to it at this point, but I'm just telling you that's how it feels on me. It says wait 8 minutes, use spatula to remove mixture from one small area. If it is not completely bleached, apply more mixture over that particular area and wait 5 more minutes. Wash off with cold water, dry thoroughly, discard any remaining mixture, wash and dry spatula and mixing cup. Resistant hair may require subsequent treatments to reach the desired degree of lightness. Wait 24 hours before repeating. Okay, so that's what we finna do. I'm just gonna probably have this like sped up, and then I will come to you probably after I get done with everything and let you guys see the end result. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it, do all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna let you guys see like what it looks like when I take it off, and then I'll come back after I have my makeup and all that good stuff. So if you're interested, honey, just keep watching. Okay, y'all, so obviously this is another day, okay? I forgot to do an outro yesterday for that video. So this is literally the next day. So my eyebrows are still fresh. Yesterday I used a different pencil, and honestly, I'm glad that I didn't do an outro because I actually prefer this this pencil over the one that I used yesterday. But you can literally use whatever pencil, whatever color you want to use. Like, it really, like, when your eyebrows is as light as you guys saw that I bleached mine, then you can pretty much have whatever kind of eyebrows you want to, girl. So I used the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil. I love these things. You can get these from Walmart. Well, that's why I get mine from, or you can get it from Ulta or whatever. But I always get mine from Walmart and sometimes Target. And this is in the color ash brown. I also wear the color brunette depending on how dark I want my eyebrows. But today I have on the ash brown one, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So I hope you guys like this video. This is different for me, so let me know what you think. Let me know, are you considering bleaching your eyebrows or whatever? Let me know down below. I will have a link, I hope, down below in the description box where you guys can get your own the Sally Hansen thing that I use. I will try to have a link to that down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. While you in here doing this, did you brush your teeth?
No. I need to